Hi everyone. So, among people who work in research paper that I know, such as my friends, my family, Mendeley is one of the most favorite and widely used for them to do citation and bibliography. And I think the reason why is the favorite because their design is pretty much simple and it allows to collaborate with other researchers, and on top of that it integrates to one of the biggest journals and books database, which is Science Direct. If you are new to research paper and wanting to download Mendeley, you might have question: what's the difference between Mendeley Desktop and Mendeley Reference Manager? And the answer is none. So Mendeley Reference Manager is the newest product Mendeley have, and it gradually and continually improving, just like how you feel when using Mendeley Desktop and Mendeley Library. And just like they say on their website, once they are confident that the new Mendeley Reference Manager meets their users' reference management needs, they will start to begin the migration process by notifying via emails and other forms. There's no need to be confused to pick one of these between Mendeley Desktop or Mendeley Reference. Just you can choose whatever you want because it's completely same. They have pretty similar features. And if you want to install Mendeley, just go to their website on www.mendeley.com and scroll all the way down, and there's one that say download Mendeley, or if you want, just click the link on the description below. Okay, I hope this video helpful, and thank you.